In my infinite retardation, I managed to run over the hydraulic chainsaw with the skid steer and snap the handle off. I looked around, and you can buy replacement handles for these for $100. But I don't want to spend that much, and to be honest, I never really liked the way this handle was designed anyway. The way it kind of sweeps back like this. I don't know, it just makes it kind of awkward to hold. So, I'm going to try to just make a new handle out of crap I have lying around. So I got a piece of black iron pipe and cut it a little bit longer than I think it needs to be and filled it with dry play sand. And I just put a little bit of duct tape over the ends to keep it from spilling out. I think you're supposed to like weld something on the ends or use threaded caps or something to hold it in tightly. I'm not really sure. I don't know, never done this before, but I'm going to try to heat this pipe up and bend it in more or less the shape of this broken handle. So, yeah. How this goes. camera battery died, of course, but it's all done. After I welded it, I just hit it with a wire wheel to clean it up. and I cut the excess off this little bracket, smoothed it out with a belt sander. So I'm really happy with that. Saved $100. Although, I mean, it did take me half a day, but there's not really anything else I could have been doing. But that should work good until the next time I run it over and break something even worse, since the handle won't snap off now. But I'll worry about that bridge when I get to it.